Hi, in this video I will show you how to get better quality on the TikTok. So the process is pretty simple. In this video I will give you the two tricks how you can make the video quality better on your TikTok. So let's start it. So first of all, open your TikTok mobile application and you have to click on your profile from the right bottom. Once you will do it, you will see your profile is here. Now you have to click on the three lines on the right top. Here you will see multiple options here. You have to search for the data saver from here. Your data saver toggle is turned on like this. So simply you have to turn this toggle off. Once you will turn this toggle off, it will not save your data, because this is basically your data saver, which results in not good the quality of the TikTok videos. So once you will turn it off, your video quality will be better. Moreover, if you are using the phone camera or the TikTok camera, these camera are not using good pixels or something like this. You have to find a better application to record our videos. Once you will find any, shoot your video on that camera. So this is the procedure you can make the better quality of your videos on the TikTok. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.